So, we have a real life use case for this application. We are going to build an application that could help filmmakers to getting started with their movie. Let me read the use case. I'm a filmmaker and I want to make movies and music videos. To do that, I need to create storyboards. I'm looking for an app that make it easy for me to log in and build the storyboards. I also want to share these storyboards with my film crew so they can give me feedback or add their own ideas. And this is a great use case for a real-time collaborative app. One step further. So we have multiple users in our app. Most of our users will be filmmakers. So let's say we have user 1, a filmmaker, user 2 and user 3. So the user 1 and user 3 is in the same film crew, but user 2 is a freelancer, maybe a separate filmmaker that doesn't have any connection with user 1 and user 3. So each of these users will have their own storyboards, but user 1 and user 3 has shared storyboards, so both of them can collaboratively create storyboards, add stories and share their ideas. This is the basically idea of our application. Let's dive into it. We have two browser windows, left side and right side. These are two different browser windows, and if I click on the start creating button, it brings me to the login page where you can start sign into your account. And now I'm logged in, but I was redirected to the home page, and I can click on the start creating button and it is redirecting me to the storyboard page now. So if I go back and if you see the home page on the right side, I can also create a start creating button. I can click a start creating button and I can log in with a different user account. If you see on the header, we have two different email addresses on the two different browser windows. So if I start creating storyboard from the left user and same time on the right user, let's see what will happen. I added a story and the right side nothing happens. So if I delete this story and if I add a new story on the right side, nothing happens on the left side. So because it is treated as two different users. But if I start sharing with the right user now it shows as it is sharing, and you can stop sharing by pressing this button. And let's see what happens if I add a story now. It is immediately affected on the right side, and same with on the right side. Now if I delete the story, it is reflected right away. So let's see what happened if I stop sharing now. Add stories on the left side. It doesn't reflect on the right side. This is the application we are going to build in this course. See you in the next one.